what is angle sum property. Angle sum property tells us that all the angles of triangle, if we have triangle A, B, C, then according to angle sum property, sum of all the angles of triangle is 180 degree. That means angle A plus angle B plus angle C, sum of all the angles should be equal to 180 degree. Now we will do one of two questions which is based on this angle sum property. Question number 1 is, if the measure of two angles of a triangle are 52 and 78 degree. If we have two angles of a triangle is 52 and 78 degree. And the question is, find the measure of the third angle. You have to find out the measure of third angle. In this question, we will use angle sum property. According to this property, sum of all angle of triangle should be equal to 180 degree. So the sum of angle 1, 2 and angle 3 should be equal to 180 degree. Angle 1 is 52 degree, angle 2 is 78 degree, and third angle we have to find out. Third angle will be 180 degree minus sum of 52 and 78. Sum of these two angles is 130 degree. 52 plus 78 is equal to 130. Now the angle third will be 50 degree. So we can use this property to do this type of question. Now the next example which is based on this property is, the acute angle of a right angle triangle are in the ratio of 4:5. This question is based on ratio. So we have the angles in ratio 4:5. We have to find out each of these angles. In question number 2, we have an acute angle triangle and the ratio of two angles. Ratio of two angles, angle 1 ratio, angle 2 is equal to 4:5. And we have to find out all the angles. We can take in the x form. So, let angle 1 is equal to 4x, angle 2 is equal to 5x. We will take ratio in the x form, 4x and 5x. Angle 1 is equal to 4x and angle 2 is equal to 5x. And we have to find out all the three angles. If angle 1, A, B, C, angle 1, 2 and 3, this one is 4x, this one is 5x, and let we take third angle is y. Angle 3 is y. So we will use the property, angle sum property, A, B, C. Sum of these three angles should be equal to 180 degree. Now angle 1 is 4x plus 5x plus y is equal to 180 degree. Now we have all the